In a small, bustling town, there existed a quaint little diner named the Golden Yolk. It was renowned for one specific delight, a crispy egg sandwich that people from all walks of life adored. The secret to this beloved sandwich lay in its simple yet sophisticated preparation methods and fresh ingredients at the heart of each creation. The story begins with Clara, the diner's head chef, who took enormous pride in creating the sandwich. Each morning, Clara would rise with the sun to ensure she had the freshest eggs from the local farm. She believed it wasn't just about the recipe, it was about the love and dedication poured into each sandwich she made. Clara's approach to the crispy egg sandwich was methodical and heartfelt. She would start by toasting 2 slices of artisanal sourdough bread until they reached a golden brown perfection. The bread was crispy yet soft inside, providing the perfect base. In a hot skillet, she'd then drizzle a touch of olive oil and crack a farm-fresh egg, ensuring it spread out evenly to form a delightfully crisp edge. The secret was in letting the egg cook undisturbed until the edges turned a beautiful, lacy brown. She would then gently flip the egg and add a pinch of flaky sea salt and a dash of cracked black pepper. While the egg finished cooking, Clara took the opportunity to prepare a special aioli made from scratch. She combined mayonnaise with minced garlic, a few drops of lemon juice, and a hint of Dijon mustard, whisking it into a creamy spread that would elevate the sandwich. Clara spread a generous layer of the aioli on each slice of toasted sourdough before adding a handful of peppery arugula for an added bite. Next, she carefully lifted the perfectly crispy egg from the skillet and placed it onto the adorned bread, the yolk slightly runny and ready to mingle with the aioli. She topped it off with the other slice and gave it a gentle press to meld all the flavors. As customers arrived and took their first bite, smiles of pure delight spread across their faces. The golden yolk, the crispy edges of the egg, the tangy aioli, and the peppery arugula all combined in perfect harmony. It was more than just a sandwich. It was a testament to Clara's art and passion for cooking. Word of the perfect crispy egg sandwich traveled fast, and soon the Golden Yolk became the go-to spot for breakfast lovers near and far. People didn't just come for the food. They came to experience Clara's love and devotion that went into every sandwich made. It became a cherished ritual, a comforting start to many people's day, showing that sometimes it's the simplest things done with the greatest care that brings the most joy.